Ta-da-da-da-da-da. Wrong aunties. Wrong artist. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If it is your first time here, ich heiße Maureen. My name is Maureen. It's the YouTube bit right here. Drum rolls. Anyways, that is the thing, that energy, and excitement that we are doing this particular tutorial together. This is an easy style that you can do it anywhere, anytime. I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can do it, and so make sure that you watch to the very end, just in case you get an extra bonus of the same. Okay, and if you not yet like the video, just like it. You can always share us out there, tell someone about this channel. I really appreciate that. And subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any upcoming updates. So anyways, whether you have braids, you have your natural hair, your bald, this is the style for you. Remember, this is how to style a bandana like JB, how to wear your bandana like JB. So for the particular style, all you need is to comb your hair. Yeah, you can comb your hair towards the back, and then you're going to be combing some hair towards the front. If you do not have hair, I told you it's also good. And then the other thing that you need is a bandana, maybe a flat surface also, which is not a must. Okay, I want us to dive right into it. So yeah, take out your bandana. Well, here's my bandana. For a minute I was not seeing it, but anyways, here's my patterned bandana. And I'm just going to be releasing my hair. I was previously doing just a simple tutorial for my braided bodies. Yes. Hey, these things are ruining my curls, man. They're too tight. Shouldn't be that tight, because when you're removing it, look at my curls now, and they're just, I don't know, 2 days old. Anyways, take all your hairs to the back like that, and then pick your bandana, or just do anything with your hair. For now, let's concentrate with the bandana. If you're facing if you have the bandana like this, let the inner side face towards the front. If you're placing it on a flat surface like this, let the inner side face towards the top, and then pick one end and place it to the other like this. Okay, pick this end and place it to the other like that. And then the next thing is just pick that bandana and place it right there like that. Okay, easy. You get something like that. The next thing is just pick the same bandana, the same side, you place it on together, not really to at the tip, but somewhere close like that, and then you're going to have it in that size. Okay, and then take all your hairs towards the back like that. I told you, may it be your natural hair, braided hair, rasters, box, name them all. You can always do this style. And as we continue, please, I really appreciate it if you like this video, to help me to push this video. Please, no, I'm not begging. Yes, I'm begging. Like the video, you can always share us out there. Talk to me in the comment section, tell me if you liked it or not, and also subscribe, turn on the notification bell. Yes, I'm road to 10k. I am road to 10k subscribers. Right now we are 9,000, and we are hoping someday we'll maybe get to 50k. Who knows? Right now we're just road to 10k. We have like 8k remaining, 800 remaining. Anyways, the next thing is you place it onto your head like this. If you have a forehead, place it right there onto your forehead. Now bring first, if you have your natural hair, bring some hairs towards the front like this, and then you can place the bandana right there. Okay, like that, and then make a knot at the back, and then that's the first thing you will have. Mind you, this one can be seen to be too big, and that's where style number 2 comes in. There's another way in which you can actually do it, and then also to achieve that objective of the hair and all. Let me just show it to you. So in this particular case, I want to reduce the size of the bandana. I just unfold, and then you see the manner in which it did not touch the other knot. Now the other side, we let it touch there, and then we can always make a smaller fold from the inside. Excuse me, it's cold here. Like that. And then you have something like that. You can see the fold, and the side in which you have folded is the side that you place onto our hair. Okay, so you can always bring the hairs, but now in this case I want it to be different. You see all the hairs, I'm pushing them towards the back. For an easier movement, you can always choose to use something to hold your hair at the back first. Like these hair bands of mine, they're giving me a hard time. It doesn't want to hold. Just like that. It doesn't have to be too tight. I hope you haven't undone your bandana. It's still in the same small size. Now you place it the same, slightly above your eyebrows or on them, but like that. And then you can now make that knot at the back. Okay, then you can also now choose to release your hairs at the back, and then if you have that kind of hair, it's time now you pick some and then you release them. This one is just an example because you know mine are braids. It can practically look similar to that of JB right now, but we can look something close to that. But if you have yours, it's the same from it actually looks like him. This time mine is braids. So place some hairs, your own natural hair at the front. You can choose the hair to be at the front or inside the bandana. You see like these ones on the inside and then they are falling onto your front like that. You can choose to comb your hair like that or comb the other way, just get the hairs on top of the bandana, and then you're still going to get similar or even better results. Money looks good. I love it. Look how I'm doing it. I'm loving it. Yeah, I'm loving every bit of it. Imagine it's that simple. Oh my goodness. You can choose to tuck your ears a little bit or just let them be. And mine feels kinda not tight, so I just have to add in another knot. And if you do not want these knots at the back to be same, what you can do is, for placing it, you can always choose to have the bandana below your hair like that, below, or is it under? Oh my goodness, you should know English is my first language. You make your bandana like that, and then you see, yeah, it's easier this way. You see, very cutesy, very easy meal, very easy. This is so easy to do. Actually, if you have your hair now, you don't even have to come. You just do like this, and then drop some to the front, let the others lie on the bandana from the back like that. It will be all good. But if you prefer it tucked in, the hairs on the inside, it's still good. If you wanna hold the hair, you see. You see, it's still good. So many styles, so many bonuses. I don't know why, if you've watched up to this far, you didn't give me that like or that thumbs up. But anyways, the chase is yours, but just know I really appreciate it. And also the algorithm would really appreciate that. Also, you can comment down below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, shares out there, just tell someone about this particular channel. That will excite me so much. And subscribe, and just check out in the description a bonus link for more tutorials. Yeah, you can choose to bring it to the front like that for bonus tutorials, and you might love them more than this one. I'll just click here and it will redirect you to more of my videos. Yeah, beauty tutorials, hair and beauty tutorials, hair and beauty. Okay, look that. I wanna know. Ooh, ooh, ooh.